At Touro Law, we have so many opportunities for students to experience what it's like to be a real lawyer. We are right across the street from the courthouse. So we have the federal court, we have the state court within walking distance of the school. And it's great because the students get to do internships, externships, their pro bono hours. We also have our clinics at the school, and the clinics are all hands-on work with organizations, non-for-profits, and the clinic professors.
At Touro Law Center, we have partnerships and connections to many of the major law firms in the region. They are located both in Nassau County and in Suffolk County, easy travel distances to all law firms. We have law firms out east on the east end of Long Island, as well as law firms heading in towards Manhattan. Our externship program in particular gives our students access and experiences at these major law firms.
Another really amazing experience that students can have here is working in the Public Advocacy Center. It's an entire building on the campus focused on non-for-profit organizations. So we have human trafficking organizations, family service organizations, housing organizations, immigration, reentry work for women and their children, women coming home from being incarcerated, and domestic violence victims, all housed within this Public Advocacy Center.
I actually was part of the VITA Clinic, which is the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. So what we do there is we help either the elderly or low-income families help file their taxes, essentially.
So the students can come in there, they could do internships, externship, pro bono hours, all with these different places. And it's a really great way for students to understand what it's actually like to be a lawyer.